When you are finished designing your website, you can go ahead and publish it to the internet. To do this, you're going to go to the Publish button, and you will notice two different boxes here. One is going to be a draft of what it is that you've been working on, and then the other is what is currently published online. You will also notice off to the side that any edits you made on different pages will be available in this list. So for example, in this, I deleted the picture off of here. On my other page, What is XC, I went and added a word on here so I can see two different versions of the website. When I'm ready and I think these are ready to go, I can go over and I can click Publish, and they will publish to the internet. When you're ready to share the link, you can go up, click on this link button. This is Copy Publish Site Link, and you can hit Copy Link. And this is the website that you'll use to submit assignments to teachers or share your website with others. Once you're done copying the link, you can go over to the share settings, and you can see I've shared with one other collaborator, but I'm going to change who can see my published website. So I'm going to go down to Links and Change and click on Publish Site, and I can make it restricted, which means only my collaborators can see it. I can go to Delaware City Schools, which means only students can see it. I can go to Public, which means everyone can see it, including your teacher. So if your teacher has assigned you a project that you need to submit in Canvas, this is the link option that you want to set up so that they are able to see your website. When you are finished with your website and you want to remove the link from the internet, you just click Remove Link. When you're finished, click Done. To check to see if your link works, simply copy link, add a new tab, paste it, and you can see your final product.